Can I just get the first item in a cursor object, pymongo? So I created a cursor object by having. Don't worry about the syntax above. Just assume that I can successfully create such cursor object. I know I can do a for loop to iterate through the object, but all I want is the very first item of this object. Is there a more efficient way than looping through? Edit. To make things more clear, the ble_ble_ble_setup_ here is simply path to connect to the desired Mongo, and query_commands_here are queries like field 1 column, $GT column num1, field 2 column, $ne column num2, that sort of things. The line will give me a cursor object that I can iterate with a for loop. So things like will print out each of the entry in the object. It works nicely. However, according to the documentation, this cursor object should have method called .hasNext, which should return true if there's a next entry. So far, I haven't found a way to get it to work for some odd reason. Data.next does give me an entry though. I want to make sure I can have that condition to make sure I don't call .next for a cursor object that contains nothing, though I don't foresee this kind of situation happening, but I would assume it would occur at some point.
.find_1 would return you a single document matching the criteria. Note that the pymongo cursor does not have a hasNext method. What I would do is to call cursor.next and handle the stop iteration exception.
You can also do the following, without having to handle the stop iteration exception. This works because Python's built-in next will return the default value when it hits the end of the iterator.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.